Guys, it's Manuel and today I'll be cooking some fish curry and I'll show you guys all about it.
So I've got my fish, the oil, cooking cream, spring onion, green chili, tatashe, ginger, garlic, purple onion, salt, cumin, curry, black pepper, sweet pepper, and turmeric. And these are the ingredients that I'll be using to make my fish curry. So I'll be chopping the fish and the veggies, then I'll show you how it looks like after. I washed my fish and I'll drain out all the water that is here because I'm still seeing some water in. Then I'll add the spices, then a little bit of oil to make the mixture more smoothie or whatever. So I'll be seasoning or marinating my fish with malt curry, need to add a lot, then sweet pepper, also add a lot, like a tablespoon. Yeah. Then black pepper, half a tablespoon. Then cumin, just a little of cumin. Then salt to taste. Okay. I'll then be adding a little bit of oil, then mix this. So I'll be adding my oil. A tablespoon, and I'll mix this. So I'm done marinating my fish, and for the guys that are going to use your hands, you can use a Ziploc bag if you don't want to get your hands dirty, but me, I use my hands. And if you're using your hands, you have to make sure you mix it gently so that you won't like make the fish lose its shape. So mix it gently. Okay, now I'll be leaving this and putting it in the fridge and letting it stay there for 30 minutes. So now I'm putting it in the fridge. So I've peeled my ginger and I'll just be using this. I want to use this. I have 4 cloves of garlic, 5 green chili, 2 tatashes, 1 purple onion, and 3 spring onions. Then I'm going to chop this up and I'll show you guys how it looks. So guys, I'm done chopping the vegetables. I've grated the ginger, as you can see, and I'll be waiting for my fish to fully marinate in the fridge, then I'll fry them. Okay, I'm heating my pan and my fish is done marinating. I'm going to be adding some oil, then I'll place in my fish. It's at medium heat and I'll be placing in my fish. So I've placed in my fish and I'll let it fry for a while. So it's been frying for the past 4 minutes now, and I'm going to check whether the bottom part has fried. So I've flipped the fish because the bottom has fried, and I'm going to let this fry for a bit. Then I'll remove some of the oil when the fish has done cooking, then add in my veggies. So it's done frying now, and I'll put it over here where I put some paper towels so that it will soak in the oil. I'll remove some part of the oil because I feel it's too much for the veggies before adding the veggies. I'm done with the fish and I'm going to put in my veggies in the pan. It's at low heat. I'll put in my onions, my purple onions first. After my purple onions, I'll put in the garlic I'll put both the garlic and the ginger together. I'll add in the chili pepper and the spring onions together before I'll now add in the tatashe. So I've placed in the chili pepper and the spring onions, and I'm going to add in my tatashes right now because it has been here for a minute or two, and yeah, I'm going to add them and show you guys how it looks. I've added my tatashes, then I'll let this fry for 2 minutes. Now I'm going to add some turmeric, some sweet pepper, like a tablespoon, the turmeric, half a tablespoon, some black pepper, like half a tablespoon, cumin, half a tablespoon, and curry, a tablespoon and half. This is how it looks when I've added all the spices, and it's giving me the aroma that I love so much. And I'll place in the fish again, then add some salt, then check out how tasty it is, then add some more spice if needed. So I've placed in my fish, and I'm going to gently mix this with the fish and adding some salt for taste. I've mixed this now with the fish, and I'm going to add a tablespoon of salt. So I've added the tablespoon, and I'm going to mix this with the fish. Now I'm going to add in more curry, let's say half a tablespoon of curry. Then I'll mix this, then I'll add in a little bit of water and my cream. So I'm going to add in a little bit of water, then add in my cream. I'll add a cup first, then I'll mix this. Actually, I added half a cup of cream the first time I poured in my cream. So now I'm going to add in 1 full cup of cream. Then I'll mix this. Now this is how it looks. I'm going to add a little bit of water, then some oil of the fish that I removed. Then I'll mix this. So this is how it looks. It's a little bit thick, so I'm going to add in some water. Then I'll mix this, add some sweet pepper. This is like half a tablespoon. Then I'll mix this. Okay guys, I'm done, and I'll be serving this with some basmati rice, and yeah, I'll show you how it looks.
So guys, I'm done cooking, and today I'm going to be the one that is going to taste the food. Yeah, the curry, basmati rice and the curry. Oh my gosh, so nice. I'll take some fish and mix it with the rice. Oh boy, it's beautiful. So I hope you guys try it, and see you guys next time.